I know I have my moments, and at times I'm hard to be around. I get impatient when you're getting dressed. It's just, I thought the first one looked the best.
Mikaela and Michael, your friends and family, have come here today to witness the two of you making a commitment to each other, a promise. This promise you're about to make is not one to take lightly. Indeed, many who make this vow will not succeed in fulfilling it. But I assure you, and many gathered here can also attest, that if you are committed to this union and are willing to do the work and make the sacrifices necessary, you will accomplish one of life's greatest achievements, a long and fulfilling marriage.
Please keep loving me, because our hearts speak fluently. Wherever I go, whatever I do, the map on my heart leads to you. So baby, please keep loving me, loving me, loving me, yeah. I don't need that. For all the little things that I failed to see, my heart is on my sleeve. Please keep loving me, because our hearts beat fluently.
A wise person once told me, people often make love and relationships way too complicated. They told me, you just need to ask yourself two questions. Do they make you happy, and do they make you a better person? If you have the answer to yes to both of those questions, you found the right one. I promise to always say I love you at the end of every tough conversation, and to work with you through any obstacle or challenge we may face. I promise to be your biggest champion, your best teammate. I can be no matter what life has in store for us. I promise to love you, to cherish you, to protect you each and every single day. Each day I promise to choose you.
Michael, who would have thought all these years ago you and I would be standing up here at this altar in front of all our family and closest friends. You're my best friend, my teammate, and my greatest supporter. I promise to love you in good times and bad, when life seems easy and when life seems hard, when our love is simple and when it's an effort. I promise to cherish you and to always hold you in the highest regard. I promise to respect you and speak well of you, to love you, to be your best friend, to be patient with you, to work together with you, to achieve our goals.
Just a moment ago, you stood before all assembled as best friends and partners. But now, Mikaela and Michael, you have expressed your love to one another through the commitment and promises you have just made. No longer just best friends and partners, you have now become husband and wife and can now seal the agreement with a kiss. Today, your kiss is a promise to stand together during the happy times and times of adversity. Today, your kiss is a demonstration of perpetual love and commitment to each other. With this in mind, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Michael, you may now kiss your bride.
Need both hands.
I'm honored to introduce to you Mr. and Mrs. Michael Hernandez.
One more time. We're gonna celebrate, oh yeah, alright. Don't stop the dancing. One more time, we're gonna celebrate, oh yeah. Don't stop the dancing. One more time, a celebration. You know we're gonna do it right tonight. Hey, just feel it. Music's got me feeling the need. Yeah, come on, We're gonna celebrate one more time. Celebrate and dance so free. Music's got me feeling so free. Celebrate and dance so free. One more time. Music's got me feeling so free. We're gonna celebrate, celebrate and dance so free. One more time. Music's got me feeling so free. We're gonna celebrate, celebrate and dance so free. One more time. Music's got me feeling so free. We're gonna celebrate, celebrate and dance so free. One more time. Music's got me feeling so free. We're gonna celebrate, celebrate and dance so free. One more time. Music's got me feeling so free. We're gonna celebrate, celebrate and dance so free. One more time. Music's got me feeling so free. We're gonna celebrate, celebrate and dance so free. One more time. Music's got me feeling so free. We're gonna celebrate, celebrate and dance so free. One more time. Music's got me feeling so free. We're gonna celebrate, celebrate and dance so free. One more time. Music's got me feeling so free. We're gonna celebrate. One more time. Music's got me feeling so free. We're gonna celebrate, celebrate and dance so free. One more time. Music's got me feeling so free. We're gonna celebrate, celebrate and dance so free. One more time. Music's got me feeling so free. We're gonna celebrate.